Da Code guru. Who in here is a code guru?
With AI sometimes.
A code guru just means you're learning about coding. It doesn't mean
Oh,
anything special. I just thought it was a funny name. That's all. So everybody can be a code guru, right? So a code guru post assignment is for you to explore what interests you in Python by creating your own coding project. You could take one of my projects, move further. You can't just take one of my assignments and then just put that in here. That's not exploratory. That's not being a guru. You would either write about what you're doing or you could do a little screencast. Have any of you, and I know Anasio has, there are about, I think, 75,000 million Python YouTube things about everything you can think of. I mean, it goes on and on and on and on and on and on. So it'd be something like some of these people do. You just do it real quick, then you can start your own YouTube channel. By the way, just in case you're wondering where all the videos are going that I'm submitting, I have the WNCC IT program has 220 followers. And then here I have stuff from last semester, and as time goes by, I'll have more and more stuff. And there's our stuff about the NASA, and the STEM Club. You know, there's all kinds of things in here. That's all programming related. Yep, I'm a YouTuber. Yeah, not really. So how do you get ideas for a coding project? You could find a coding tutorial on YouTube and code along with the tutorial. Perfectly valid. I've done bunches of those where it's like, oh, this program looks kind of fun. And by following along with the person, quite often they don't explain what's going on. They just say, and I'm going to type this, then I'm going to type this, then I'm going to type this. The tutorials I like are where they say, I'm going to type this, and this is why. We're doing whatever we're doing. Those are the ones I like. You could have a program that you're going to work on all semester. You could create your own coding tutorial that reviews if statements. I've had people do nice little tutorials. It can be a continuing project. You can use AI or anything. If you are using AI generated code, I want to know which one you used and what code was AI. If you know how to use GitHub, put your code on GitHub and include the link. You don't have to. And just generally, don't ever reuse discussion posts more than once. Doesn't matter who you're taking a class from. Use any assignment one time, you're done. Assignments are a one-time thing. So we have substantial initial post means I want to see that you've actually done something by Thursday, and then Sunday is the final date. No, Blackboard does not allow you to have two due dates, so the due date isn't here. So it can be literally anything you want. And there are plenty of screencast projects. I've had people use Open Broadcast something or another. Yeah, OBS. I use myself ScreenPal because it's a very simple thing. We also have a license with the college, but I use ScreenPal because it's just easy to use. It's simple. And you can use it without having to pay for it. Oh, there's a new version. I use this whenever I'm doing offline tutorials, just because it's easy to do, easy to use. It's not complicated. And learning how to do screencasts is a good thing to learn as an IT person. You may want to do tutorials for others if they're having questions and problems. I do screencasts quite a bit, not just for my classes, but for others. Like I used to have a bunch of Blackboard ones that I did. Sometimes I'll do something. There's a new AI feature in Blackboard last fall, and so I did a little video on how to use that and send it to the instructors. Questions on it's whatever interests you.